Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be reviewing these Beetles gel polishes, and later on in the video I am going to be doing a marble gel X nail set using almost all Beetles products. So I got these gel polishes on Amazon, but of course you can also go to the Beetles website, and right now I see that they are $9.50 on Amazon, and I believe this nail polish set is just called Pastel, and I will also try to link it in the description box below. Now I am just going to swatch all of them for you guys, starting out with color number 127, just a nice light blue. Honestly, you could probably get away with just doing one coat, but in my opinion, I do like it with two coats better. For being light colored, it is still pretty pigmented. As you can see, on the left is one coat and then on the right is two coats, and there's a little bit of a difference, but it's really not a huge difference. This next color, 128, is pretty similar to the last one, but a bit of a darker blue. This is also one of the colors I use on the set I do later on in the video. Color 129 is a light pink, and I also used this one in my nail set I am doing later. These gel polishes are definitely self-leveling. If you just lay it out for about 15 seconds before putting it in your lamp, it'll just kind of self-level, make it look even, and give it that nice and smooth effect. This next color is a light yellow, and it is color 130. Color 131, I feel like is kind of a pinkish salmon color, or maybe a coral. And finally, the last color in the collection is 132. I feel like it's kind of a pinkish purplish. And here are all the colors together. Comment down below which one is your favorite. I just think they're all so beautiful. I also love pastel colors so much, and it's really great for spring nails. On to the nail set, I am going to be using this Beetles Gel X nail kit, which I did do a review about this on my channel. I will put that in the description box below if you're interested in watching that video. And I'm also going to be using a couple of the gel polishes that I just swatched for this nail set. So before applying these nail tips, I want to file down some of the edges just to make sure they fit my nails perfectly and are not too big or too small. Because these full cover nail tips are not pre-etched, I want to buff the inside of the nail that will be touching my nail just to make sure they do not pop off. It really helps it stick to the glue better. And I don't want any nail dust stuck in my nail, so after buffing, I brushed it down with this little brush thing I have here. Now I'm just going to be doing a bit of nail prep on my natural nails. This will prevent lifting and the nail tips falling off. So first I'm just going to be pushing back my cuticles, and then I'm going to buff my nails with my nail buffer. And then just like I did with the false nails, I'm just going to brush off the dust so I don't have any nail dust stuck in the nails. So lately I've been experimenting with this peel off base coat, and this is the only non-Beetles product I am going to be using in this video. Otherwise I would just be using the Beetles base coat. So I'm just going to apply this peel off base coat to all of my natural nails. Now I'm just getting ready to apply my full cover nail tips. I'm taking my Beetles nail glue and applying that to the part of the nail that will be touching my natural nail, plus a little bit extra at the bottom. And then I'll just apply that to my natural nail, making sure there's no air bubbles and also making sure none of the glue got on my skin before curing it. And then I'll just be doing a flash cure. And I will just be repeating those steps for the rest of the nails. And when I was in the process of applying my next nail, the camera just randomly fell, but everything is okay. If you do ever accidentally get some on your skin, you can just wipe it off with acetone. You definitely do not want to cure it on there or leave it on there for a very long time, because you can develop an allergic reaction from gel polish and gel products. Most of the time, these little mini lamps are not strong enough to completely cure your nail, so you'll want to completely cure it after you're done in a bigger lamp. So that is what I'm doing here. So now I'm just filing down my nails, and then I'm going to buff the shine off of them because gel polish needs kind of a rough surface to stick onto so they do not peel off. And like I've been doing after buffing, I just brush off the nail dust. Then I'm just going to apply my base coat to all of the nails. Alright guys, on to the nail art. So I just am putting on my base color, which is color 129, the super light pink. And I at first was planning to do ombre, but then I figured out it is really hard to do ombre with gel polish. I definitely need a lot more practice. So yeah, I don't know. I just decided to do marbling, which is also my first time doing marbling, but it was way easier than trying to do ombre. I forgot to film it, but I did put a second layer of pink gel polish on my nail, but I did not cure it. So I'm going to be putting this color 128 on my nail palette and then getting a brush and just kind of just brushing it lightly around the nail, and really you just make it however you want. It's just a really easy pretty nail design that looks so good. It really doesn't take much technique, really. You just kind of like paint it on there and just make it look how you want it to look. And there's several different ways of doing marble, but I just wanted to try this one out. It seemed pretty easy and fun. I didn't intentionally do this, but it started reminding me of a sky, like a blue sky with pink clouds or something like that. And I just think it's so pretty. It also kind of reminds me of cotton candy. Now I'm just going to be doing that for the rest of my nails, and then I have a few charms and rhinestones I'm going to add on after this. I have this big box of charms I got from Temu, so I'm just taking a moon charm and putting a little bit of top coat on my thumb. You can also use nail glue or really whatever works for you. And then I'm just going to put that moon on there and then cure it. For my index finger, I have these clear flat back rhinestones. I'm going to put a bigger one in the middle of my nail near the cuticle area, and then a smaller one on each side of the bigger one. For my ring fingernail, I have this little star charm. I'm going to put it in the middle of the nail, and then I'm going to take some really small flat back rhinestones and just kind of make a diagonal line across the nail with the star being in the middle of them. I'm just taking the Beetles gel top coat and applying that to all of my nails, and the ones with rhinestones, I just kind of went around with the top coat. And of course, we can't forget the Beetles cuticle oil. I wanted to thank you guys for over 200 subscribers now. That is awesome. Thank you so much. Make sure if you're not subscribed already to subscribe so you can get notified every Thursday when I post a nail video. And also make sure to like this video so I know to make more videos like this if you guys do like it. And go follow my nail Instagram because I post almost every day on there. I will have that in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!